Good morning, your home sold, guaranteed realty. How's it going? TW. All right, I'm standing outside our red door at corporate headquarters, your home sold, guaranteed realty. I'm gonna walk in here, all right, because it's cold outside. Hey, look, Wednesday, we've got a little open house that you're invited to. What time's it start, Dana?
11 to 3.
11 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Drop in, check us out, have a little open house fun. We got some eggnog?
Apple cider.
Apple cider. You don't have any spiced eggnog?
A couple of beers, maybe.
All right, so here I am at the office. So this is a preview. There's Miss Dana back there. We're just getting here. I don't know what time it is, 7:30, 8 o'clock, something like that. Let's go. Let me just kind of, don't want to make your head spin here, but you're going to walk into the office and you're just going to hang out and you're going to say hello to people. And we're going to give you some big hellos.
Hello.
There's Jewel. What's going on this morning, young lady? How you doing?
I am good. Did some morning training. Ready to go. Let's go.
Yeah, this morning training, huh?
This morning
I did
training.
too. I was watching some GC this morning, and he said there's 4 levels of action. But then he said, you know, really one of them is impossible to do. So 4 levels of activity. One of them he said was do nothing, and then he said, you know, that's impossible. It's impossible to do nothing, and it is. Even if you're dead, like there's activity going on, like you're decaying. So I agree with that. It's impossible to do nothing. Number 2 is a retreat. So I got up this morning, 7 a.m. to work out, and I retreated from it. Oh, let me just get in the shower and get to the office. I could catch up on some stuff. Retreat, not a good activity. Let's see, average levels of activity. Okay, that would be that's really number 2. Okay, number 3, depending on how you're counting, but do nothing is not really activity. So retreat, average levels of activity, and what's the other one? That's right, massive. Quantum leaps. The only way to make quantum leaps is do more. So here I am in what we call Animal House. This is one of our sales rooms, I guess you might say. So let's walk out here a little bit. All right, so what do we got here? We got some top 10 in the world with Remax trophies, collecting dust. That's what trophies do, collect dust. Here's a board right here. I think we're actually sitting on this must go probably around 20, 25,000. We should update that. I'm not gonna go upstairs. Let me walk in here to my little studio. So I got a studio in here where I do webinars, record. Look at this. This is a rock board, to-do board. You can see I got people's names up there and metrics that I'm keeping up with here and what we need to do. That's how things happen. So my goal today is to take massive action, quantum leap activities, period, and get them done through others. So I'm inspiring you to do that and to show up for the open house on Wednesday at your home sold guaranteed realty at 11 a.m. To 3 p.m. Drop in, hang out with us a little bit, okay? And we'll talk about all the cool things going on in life. In the meantime, I'm gonna come in right here and I'm gonna have me a little coffee action right there, right? We have a little coffee. Oh, there it is right there. All right, guys, go serve big. See you.